PCView Solutions. SnapVue, Remote Connected Frontline Workers. Episode 6, Holistic Operations and Maintenance. As mentioned earlier, prior to the pandemic, we have been working with customers to develop support for remote connected workers in operations and maintenance. The operations department and the maintenance department in many companies has historically operated in separate silos. This created organizational resistance to what our collaborators were proposing to their management, namely, a holistic system providing operational views to maintenance personnel. The pandemic has broken down those barriers as our customers deal with the larger business continuity issues. The patented SnapVue technology goes beyond traditional CMMS functionality by providing the maintenance worker with the ability to have the current operating condition of the equipment appear on their mobile device as they move about their work. It enhances maintenance systems without the need for a replacement of the legacy platforms. As Mike moves towards the chiller, even before reaching out to Anne for expert advice, his phone or other mobile device presents him with the O&M manual for the chiller. With a single click, he can see the current intake and outflow temperatures, and with controlled access, he can easily navigate to other chillers in the system to ensure that what he is seeing is not a systematic problem. He can refer to water temperature trends. He can acknowledge and annotate alarms. If his hospital operating procedures allow it, he may change the set point on the chiller. To summarize, SnapVue helps you in this way. SnapVue breaks hose barriers and allows maintenance workers to have the operating condition of the equipment on their mobile as they move. In the next episode, we will see how SnapVue technology assists frontline workers. Stay tuned.